Hello family and friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to cook up a blueberry dump cake and I wanted to bring you along and share that recipe. This is a very delicious cobbler dump cake mix, especially when it's hot and served with some vanilla ice cream. So here are the ingredients: a yellow cake mix, a quart of frozen blueberries, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a cup of chopped pecans, and 1 stick of butter. I did have some pineapple left over, so I'm going to cut that up and add that to this dessert. And the first step is to take the butter and to grease the baking dish. You can use a 13 by 9 rectangular glass dish for this. I just recently purchased this pie plate at an antique store. It's a nice heavy ironstone one and I wanted to give it a try. So I'm going to grease the sides to prevent the cake mix from sticking. And then I'm going to melt the rest of that stick of butter. Now I'm adding in a quart of frozen blueberries that we got this summer from a blueberry farm. That's my last quart bag out of the freezer. So I'm anxious for June to get here when I can get some more blueberries. And I'm going to take the pineapple that I have there and cut those up into small pieces and put that on top of the blueberries. My grandkids love pineapple, and this was just some I had left over from their weekend visit. So I'm going to add that to it. Blueberries and pineapple is a nice combination. Like I said, you can use apple pie filling, peach pie filling, whatever kind of pie filling you like, cherry with this recipe, but today we're going to do the blueberry. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the pineapple juice, just pouring that on top. Pineapple juice is so good. So after that, I'm going to take and open up the cake mix, and here's the magic part is you don't have to add anything to the cake mix. You just pour it on dry. So no eggs, no oil, just the cake mix on top of the fruit. We make a really good Dutch oven apple dump cake mix recipe, and next time we have our Dutch ovens out, I'll share that with you. It has apple pie filling and cinnamon on top, and it is absolutely delicious. Been doing that for years with scouting camping trips. So I'll share that recipe with you in the future. I'm taking the fork and I'm spreading out, kind of breaking up any clumps of cake mix and pushing it down into the fruit. Filling in where there's some holes, just making sure all the fruit is covered with the yellow cake mix. Then I melt the rest of that stick of butter. You could cut the butter into little pats and spread that out that way, but I'll just usually melt the butter and then just pour it right over the dump cake. Trying to make sure you cover the whole cake with the butter. And that is really, with that and the juice of the fruit, that's the only liquid that's going to be in this cake mix. Now for an extra step, I've got a cup of pecans and I've chopped them up finely. To add a little crunch to the top of this, I'm going to mix the pecans with the brown sugar. You could use walnuts. I happen to have some pecans left over from Christmas baking that I need to go ahead and use up. I've been doing a freezer clean out, trying to get my freezer ready for the upcoming summer and refill it with good vegetables. So just sprinkle the brown sugar nut mixture over on top of the cobbler or dump cake. Sometimes we call it blueberry cobbler. Again, coating the whole dish. And I have the oven preheating at 350, and I baked this dessert for 45 minutes. About halfway through, I pulled it out and took a spatula and again pressed down the cake mix and the nuts and the sugar down into the fruit. So after 45 minutes, it's all done. I wish you could smell it. It smells divine. It's not pretty, but it sure is good. And like I said, a dollop of vanilla ice cream on top of this when it's hot. Ooh, that's wonderful. So give this recipe a try, blueberry dump cake, and stay tuned for when I make the apple cinnamon dump cake. That's good too. Thanks you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.